Welcome to the third in our short videos that take you through some simple steps in using your new MYCARTREFI portal. In this video, we'll show you how to report a repair. To begin, use your phone, tablet or computer to type in the web address www.mycartrefi.org. Type in your username and password to log in. From the Welcome page, click on the Request a Repair option. On the repair page, use the pictures to tell us what needs repairing. For example, if you have a faulty door handle, choose Doors and Windows. Choose Internal Doors. Hover over the handle, click on the left button of your mouse, and use the drop-down menu to tell us the problem. For example, door handle needs repair. You can also write a comment to give us more information. If you would like an AM or a PM appointment, please make it clear here. You'll now be able to add photos of what needs repairing. Click Attach a photo. Click Choose File to find your photo, and then click Upload photo. You can also add a caption to your picture. Click the Send this report button. This will now be sent to our customer service team and someone will be in contact with you to book the repair. You might want to make a note of your repair job number.